I feel it. Another version of me, I was in it. I waved goodbye to the end of beginning.
Hi, this is John Clifford Perez from Three Kings Travels and Tours. This is the 5-day itinerary for Cebu, Philippines. Cebu can offer a diverse mix of historical, cultural, and natural attractions. Here's the 5-day itinerary to get out the most out of it. Day 1, the arrival and city tour. In the morning, you can arrive in Cebu City and check in at your destination hotel. In the afternoon, Magellan's Cross, visit the historical landmark. The next is Basilica del Santo Niño, explore the oldest Roman Catholical church in the Philippines. Port San Pedro, discover the story of the military defense structure. And in the evening, you can dinner at Larshad Barbecue. You can enjoy here the local barbecue dishes. And the day 2, you can visit the cultural and historical exploration in the morning in Cebu Taoist Temple, the Yap San Diego Ancestral House to explore one of the oldest residential houses in the Philippines. In the afternoon, you can visit the Museo Sugbo, learn about Cebu's rich history through its exhibits. In Casa Gordo Museum during the Spanish colonial period. The dinner, you can try at a local restaurant and try the Cebu delicacies like lechon, the Cebu lechon. The day 3, you can visit the Mactan Island and beach. In the day, in the morning, you can visit in the Mactan Shrine and visit the shrine dedicated to the Lapu-Lapu, our local hero. Lapu-Lapu monument in the Battle of Mactan. So, you can see the commemorating Battle of Mactan in the afternoon. The island hopping tour, explore the nearby island like Naluswan, Ilatungan, and Pandanon. You can enjoy here the snorkeling, swimming, and relaxing on the beach. In the evening, you can dinner at a beachside restaurant and experience the fresh seafood by the sea. In the day 4, the South Cebu adventure in the early morning. You can travel to Oslo, approximately 3 to 4 hours drive from Cebu City, and you can see the giant whale shark.